Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to prepare tax-ready reports using Lendio. Now, Lendio provides tools to generate tax-ready reports, which of course helps you to stay compliant and organized during tax season. So I'm going to show you how to get this done. First, sign into your Lendio dashboard. Once you're in, go to the report section. Now there you're going to select tax reports or just choose financial reports like profit and loss, balance sheets, and cash flows that are required for taxes. Next is to set the tax year, or you can just choose a custom date range, for example, January 1st to December 31st. Next, apply filters for business expenses, deductions, or categories that are relevant to tax filings. Once that's done, review the report preview carefully. You want to check for totals for income, payrolls, and of course deductions. Once all that checking is done, just click export and then choose PDF for accountant, of course, or you can choose Excel if you need to make adjustments. Share these reports directly with your accountant, or you can choose to upload them to tax softwares if they're supported. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.